October 3rd of this year is Samsung's developer conference, where they will probably unveil their most recent software releases, such as Galaxy AI, Tizen OS Knox, and One UI. The One UI 7 beta is still not available, despite the fact that it is already mid-September. Since there has been discussion of a delay in the beta program, it is still unclear whether a UI 7 will really launch shortly. Certain individuals even speculate that Samsung, with the developer conference quickly approaching, may forego the beta completely and go directly to the public release. Information on the Galaxy S24 series beta is still lacking. There were reports in the middle of July that the beta would begin in South Korea on July 31st, but that never materialized. However, we did see some purported screen grabs from the new firmware and some app icon photos leaked online, however they are no longer being discussed. No beta test builds have yet been discovered by the company that watches Samsung firmware. It's difficult to say when the beta for the S24 series will go live, but Samsung seems to be making progress with One UI 7. Android 15 seems to be the cause of the delay in the One UI 7 beta. Although there has been a major change, Google is still expected to release the stable version of Android 15 next month. With the release of the Pixel 9 series last month, Google may still be working on Android 15, since the device shipped with the operating system from the previous year rather than the most recent version. Samsung may have been affected by this delay as well, given that their single user interface is based on Android. Its first major upgrade will be the Galaxy S24 series One UI 7. The new firmware mark has been tested by Samsung on a regular basis using a B build, but enthusiasts are still waiting for the Z build, which normally precedes a better release. Although all signs point to continued development, it is not clear when or if the beta will begin this year. I completely understand your optimism for a successful conclusion as a fan. It's still a waiting game, but I believe there's a high possibility we'll see a beta, even if it's later than expected. Samsung has historically conducted beta programs, but with these potential delays, we could see a shift in approach. The One UI 7 beta's delay was recently explained by a moderator on Samsung's Korean community forum. The holdup is being caused by new features, according to their article, which is why many debates are still going on. Before releasing the public beta, it seems that Samsung is concentrating on improving the reliability of its redesigned UI. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.